Hey there, marketing enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of business strategies and help you unlock your marketing potential. Now today we're going to explore the 7 P's of marketing and learn how they can revolutionize your approach to promoting products and services. So let's jump right in. Now, every great marketing campaign starts with a remarkable product. Whether it's tangible or intangible, the key is to identify what sets your offering apart from the competition. Take the time to understand your target audience's needs and desires and develop a product that exceeds their expectations. Okay, so now that you have an exceptional product, it's time to determine the perfect price. Consider factors like production costs, market demand, and perceived value. Striking a balance that ensures profitability while remaining attractive to customers is crucial. Remember, pricing is not just a number, it's a reflection of your brand's positioning in the market. It's time now to let the world know about your amazing product. Promotion. It's all about creating awareness and generating interest. Utilize various channels such as social media, content marketing, and traditional advertising to reach your target audience effectively. Craft compelling messages that highlight the unique benefits that your product brings to the table. Okay, so now that you've captivated your audience's attention, you need to ensure your product is available where and when they want it. Consider the distribution channels that best suit your product and target market. Whether it's online platforms, physical stores, or a combination of both, make sure your customers can easily access your offering. People are the backbone of any successful business. From your employees to your customers, creating meaningful connections is essential. Train your staff to provide exceptional customer service, as positive interactions can turn one-time buyers into loyal brand advocates. Put people at the center of your marketing strategy and watch your business flourish. Do not underestimate the power of aesthetics. Packaging plays a significant role in attracting customers and leaving a lasting impression. Invest in visually appealing packaging that reflects your brand's image and aligns with your target audience's preferences. Remember, a great product deserves an equally stunning package. The final P, but certainly not the least important P, is process. This refers to the entire journey a customer experiences when interacting with your brand. From the ease of ordering online to the efficiency of your shipping process, every step should be seamless and enjoyable. A smooth process enhances customer satisfaction and builds trust in your brand. And there you have it, the power of the 7 P's of marketing. By carefully crafting your marketing mix, you can create a winning strategy that captivates your target audience and drives business success. Remember, it's all about understanding your customers, delivering exceptional value, and continuously refining your approach. Dive into the world of AI-driven success. Sign up for a comprehensive demo and witness firsthand how B2B Rocket engages, qualifies, and converts prospects effortlessly. It's time to revolutionize your sales process. Sign up now.